I'm in a hot tub, smoking with my feet up. Boy, cut off the fake.
Yo, man, what's cracking, man? Them charts saying, hey, fuck them interest rates. We still finna make some noise. Let's get it, man. Teddy bear up to the moon, man. Let's go, man. My boy Jay Perry, man. Everybody get to that EHEX chart in a minute, man. Everybody get to that EHEX chart in a second, man. Let's go. Get out of here. Get them streamers in here. I mean, get them viewers in here, man. Hit that like button. Hit that like button.
Bitches on my dog in the trap, I'm a savage. What? Bought another foreign and took it to go get married. Yeah. Just met her yesterday and she calling me baby daddy. I'm on codeine, yeah. She drinking rum. Yeah. I just went and bought another chum, yeah. And another watch for my other arm. I got pussy niggas out here praying for my downfall. All this ice on me got me shining like Amarol. You see this shit here? Hall of Famer in the trap, got my plaque on the wall. Hey, hey. Everybody with your pussy, I don't fuck with none of y'all. I just spent $1,000 on designer draws. I don't stop for the police, nigga, fuck the law. Fuck the law. Nigga, fuck the law. I'm in a hot tub, smoking with my feet up. Yo, boy. Cut off them fake niggas and told them I don't need them. Fuck them out. I bow my head and say a prayer before I re-up. Amen. I got 5 ounces of drink in my 1 liter.
Yeah, man. Profitable week in the stock markets. It's looking profitable in crypto also, man. So you see, Teddy Bear is currently going paraboliate. These God candles forming right now. Yeah, clean green candles. 301. I'm a multimillionaire. Just keep it simple. That simple. Let's just keep it that simple, man. We get to 301 like that. Your boy is a multi-millionaire. It look like we can get there and got like 5, 1, 2, like at least 6 weeks. We can get there this summer. We can get there July. I give it July. We get there July. But Hex, I'm thinking we're gonna break all-time highs this year, man. E-Hex gonna break all-time highs this year. I don't think y'all ready. I think you can break all-time highs in a couple months. Get 4 months from now. Look at that E-Hex, man. Look at the E-Hex. Look at that E-Hex. Look at that E-Hex. Look at that E-Hex. Both of them are sleeping giants now. I ain't gonna cap. Teddy Bear was currently sleeping for the past 5 months, just as E-Hex been sleeping longer though. But E-Hex been holding, haven't broke no resistances and none of that. It's been holding sideways for the longest, which is good, which is waking up. But Teddy Bear kind of went to sleep just with Hex. Now they both waking up. Beautiful trends, man. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Shit's looking beautiful, beautiful. Oh yeah, look at this. Up to the moon, straight up. That's what y'all want, right? Straight up. That's what's coming right now. Still believe in Teddy Bear and P-Dye. The stables is gonna be a nice rotate into cores. It's just these prices won't be the same. So get what you can, and then get a lot what you can when you actually get profits on Teddy Bear and your P stables, and you shift and rotate to cores. Get way much more as you can. You can't. You said, what's up with the Hex up, man? What's happening, man? E-Hex looking beautiful as shit. But crazy thing is, I'm holding more bear than EHEX. I'm holding lots of bear, bro. Lots of bear. Y'all gonna see in the long run. But yeah, profitable as week in the stock markets. Everything going straight up. Look at this weekly chart. We close these next 2 days. It's going straight up, chat. Just going straight to 1 cent this month. So get ready, man. 1 penny this month. Simple. 1 penny this month. EHEX 1 penny this month. So I told you. Recovering on TeddyBear. We will be recovering on TeddyBear this month. We should looking at a nice recovery. And that recovery on TeddyBear is more lucrative than EHEX. So I keep telling y'all about TeddyBear. I keep telling y'all this channel really mostly about Teddy. But y'all gonna understand what all I'm holding as well. Trust me, Teddy is that. It's like holding Hex, bro. It's like holding Bitcoin. It's like holding the world, bro. It's real shit. But EHEX, that's like holding Bitcoin for real, for real. Like you want to hold Bitcoin, but early Bitcoin stages, you gotta get some of that EHEX. Not Pulse Bitcoin. I ain't talking about the PulseChain Bitcoin. I'm talking about somebody that's go past those prices. But nah, shit getting real, chat. These charges getting real. Just give me another month. I need another month before I make it like another like 4-figure investment. Give me till end of this month. At least give me till May fucking. I'll be buying the June candle or before the closing of this month. Let me see the monthly candle. All right, so we should be going to at least half a penny. Above a half a penny this month. We can stay right there above half a penny this month. Hey, I'm telling you. We are going parabolic June, July, maybe August. We going parabolic, chat. It's just, man, y'all. I hope y'all in position. My trading week was perfect. I only lost 2 trades this week. I won 8 out of, so I took 10 trades this week. I only lost 2. Profitable ass week, man. High quality trades. The only I lost my recent trade because I checked my currency meter and I was low key rushing to get in the trade because I'm always winning around 4 a.m. I'm used to winning at 4 a.m. this week, so the whole time I need to take that mind frame out the pictures, thinking, all right, every time I clock in at 4 a.m. Nah, just come to the market early and expect to see what you need to see. Don't think you need to click the button at the same exact time of every day, you feel me? But yeah, once I stopped that strategy, it wasn't even a strategy, it was just a thought. Once I stopped thinking that, immediately just start branching out through the whole session. So instead of waiting at 4 o'clock, I'll wait at 4:30. And next thing you know, 4:30, I seen good ass setups. So if I would have waited 30 minutes for that same buy entry, I would have had a little more strength on it because the currency meter gave me strength, but it wasn't like full. It wasn't no full meter. You know what I'm saying? So I got this shit. I jot down exactly why I lost. And then as soon as I made up for that shit, as soon as I did exactly what I knew why I lost, I won my trade. I won 2 trades after that. Seen the confirmation on my meter. Strong as hell. Momentum out the ass. You feel me? Took my trades, won them bitches. Everything documented. So when I actually get where I'm going, when I get there, I'm pushing public, and I upload every trade I took to get to 40,000, 30,000, whatever. I'm gonna show y'all how I turned $20 into 40 fucking $1,000. I might go viral for that shit because it's kind of like hard to do that shit. But if you professionally know what you're doing, you know what you're looking at, you only trade like you only take it like the most trades you taking out of one session is two. You know what I'm saying? So London I take two, New York I take two. So out the whole day I took four trades. But I only did that for today because I lost last night to make up. You know what I'm saying? And I only was getting clean, so I wasn't going for no bullshit. Once I lost that trade, I'm like, oh yeah, I ain't going for no weak ass momentum. Everything got to be on the same potent chart, like potent as hell. I need to record the currency strength meter too. So next week, oh yeah, for sure. Making sure next week I record the currency strength meter too, because I always keep it on my phone and just screen record the screen and the charts and my trade and shit. So I'm gonna keep the meter on that motherfucker this time. But yeah, man, I can't trade crypto, so it'd be fun if I could, but it ain't no moves in trade crypto. You buy and hold that shit. But meanwhile, we're gonna talk about these games though. We millionaires already in the making, you know what I mean? E-Hex chugging. E-Hex ain't letting up. Yeah, E-Hex ain't letting up, man. TeddyBear. But nah, this full-time trading shit real. Look at these gains for the day, bro. TeddyBear up 23%. P-Dot up. You know what I'm saying? P-Dot up 24%. P-Dot TeddyBear doing better than everything around the same. Everything ain't doing nothing better. Everything around 20% better. TeddyBear got the thinnest liquidity, bro. The thinnest. It's gonna pump harder, bro. Telling y'all sleeping on that TeddyBear. When it get to these crazy ass prices, you're not gonna buy that high ass liquidity. P-Dot liquidity. Look at P. That shit about to snap to $1, bro. Any day that shit can peg. Any day it can peg, bro. We inside the bull run now. Bitcoin over 100K. You know what I'm saying? This shit can full-timely just peg someday, somehow. I told y'all, bro, it need to peg before June over with. Before June, I'm going to give it July, the most. It needs to peg before July. And if it don't peg before July, because we're going to be in profits. I'm telling you, we're going to be in profits, bro. It's going to be profit taking. We need a fucking stable, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you, bro. And if we not pegging, I'm telling you, bro, if we not pegging before, if we don't peg and we already at crazy prices with bear and shit, it's designing you to get shook out of this whole PulseChain shit. I'm telling you, if we don't peg, bro, it's trying to take me out. It's trying to shake out real hardcore believers like even me, bro. Keeping it real. If you understand why you're in PulseChain, it ain't just for the gains, bro. You're going to get the gains regardless. But to keep your ass in PulseChain and keep your money safe, you need a stable, bro. That real, true DeFi stable. So it's going to probably play out. If it play out long for it to peg, it's trying to tell certain investors to get out. Non-believers going to end up leaving. Some believers going to end up leaving. You're going to end up to get turned into a non-believer if it take long to not peg. I'm keeping it real with y'all. But it's going to end up doing it right when people think it's not going to happen. That's how this shit happens all the time. Just hold all y'all shit. Don't sell nothing to zero. Just hold y'all shit. Just hold the line, man. It's simple. See what happens. See what play out. See when they want to make it $1. P-Dot. It might want to be $2. You don't know, bro. Watch this shit play out, chat. All we can do is be prepared, being these coins ready. And I got hella money in TeddyBear, so I'm kind of focused on Bear. Everything else, I'm telling you, I'm just focused on, because the targets, the rotate I want to do on Bear, that's the main thing. I'm not rotating out of no hacks. I'm rotating out of Bear, bro. It's going to be so much money I'm going to have in Bear from just going back to all-time highs. I can rotate, bro. I can literally rotate at all-time highs. Like, rotate some profits at all-time highs, because that 20x, woo, that shit gonna look good on my portfolio on that Bear. So yeah, I can rotate some of that, put some of that in cores while that shit going up. Shit's gonna look good, man. Winning. Shit's looking good. I strongly believe Bear's gonna rip before EHEX even kind of rips. If they all rip at the same time, they gonna probably make it hard on us to get the next dips. So y'all goes, set and forget. Be happy caught the first dip, man. Set and forget once you do rotate. But yeah, chat, shit's official, man. Nice week. Try to speed shit up a little notch. Not even try to speed it up, but like actually like show my new discipline levels and shit. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I used to just be profitable one day out the week. I used to not be profitable every day. I used to not get up every day on time and catch the sessions and shit. I used to not be on time, bro. I'm on time now, bro. I'm really getting rewarded for this shit. This shit really worked, chat. Y'all just gotta really stick to y'all rules, man. It journal everything, gotta write everything down. Journal, write everything down, man. Especially if you day trading and shit, journal everything, bro. Wins and losses, record that shit. Screen record it. It's a time to win, y'all. Shouldn't be losing right now, bro. If you're losing, it's because you lack discipline and actually waiting for trades to set up or holding. You know what I'm saying? You shouldn't be losing right now. So everybody should be winning right now. Some people probably buying back in on Bitcoin. Some people not even probably buying that. I think when they drop interest rates to 0, that's probably going to be the godly candles fully flowing through the market. But we probably got like probably 2 months or a month or probably 4. Yeah, I think when them interest rates hit fully 0, we might fool in for another little while. Or that might be the signal to get out in a little while. You gotta pay attention. But yeah, we get what we want right now. It's May 9th. Shit looking good. Can't even cap. Can't wait to see everybody success on these coins, man. The sleeping giant is fully ripping, y'all. It's gonna be ripping for a little while. These prices will never be seen again. Like, these prices will never be seen again, bro. This shit is beautiful. These holding these higher highs, perfect, bro. This shit's fire highs, just holding, man. You ain't buy off these candles and the respect of these trend lines and price action, bro. You ain't buy this shit, bro. You tripping. You got shooked out because of Teddy, that new Teddy bullshit. You tripping. All that shit was fucking with our mental, bro. All you look at it now. All that games just for us to get here and see a good candle like this, bro. With the games they play in crypto. Same shit in the stock market, but the stock market move way faster, kind of more respectfully, to be honest with you. But if you know what you're doing, you're going to make a lot of money every day. Yeah, we know P-Dot going to $1, Brody. I don't think that it's not just a coin. We just expecting to just go up throughout the bull run and not see it and watch it go down. Nah, that's just $1, bro. That's just going to $1. It can go past $1, but something about that P-Dot is going to do something. It's going to peg. It's not coming to zero. It's not going to zero. You know what I'm saying? We need that stable. Think about what you need, bro. That's how I feel, bro. If I'm sticking to the rules of crypto, what do we need? This is taking out middlemen. It's taking out, you becoming your own bank now. So you need a stable. You need something where if your money getting froze, it's a middleman. Simple. So that's gonna tell you there's going to $1. Once you know that, how many stable coins you got right now fully decentralized besides DAI? And it's a reason why my boy Richard forked it. Now you got 2 full decentralized stable coins, but now you got a purpose to be on one chain. You know what I'm saying? Now you becoming a whale on this one. It's like holding Ethereum DAI. Before Ethereum DAI pegged, it's like being on Ethereum when Ethereum was low and Bitcoin was low. And you was just fresh new ecosystem. Same shit here. What's happening with Josh, man? I would go to DAI. I ain't gonna lie, I'll go to DAI. It's still not, you ain't hear nobody shit get froze with DAI. And then when you look it up, it's really DeFi. So for him to fork it, bro, it's gon' peg, man. And you could tell he controlling it because he pegging it on his own timing. And then pegging the same, you know what I'm saying, same timing as the last one, which kind of not supposed to always put, you can't compare that, but you could tell Richard running this shit. And the other guys was running their own shit, which made you understand. We didn't understand stables then when DAI first came out. We didn't even understand it then. It just released, and Richard, the reason we actually fully understand DAI is the full right stable coin. To be honest with you, if it wasn't for Richard, we'd probably be in USDC and thinking T shit cool, Tether and shit cool. Like, no, Richard made it really known and popular for us to know that DAI was the best stable coin. It's real DeFi. I wouldn't have known that shit from no other motherfucker, bro, if it wasn't for Richard. So you had to upgrade my Focusrite software. I don't think KG trade pocket options. I did good this week. I ain't gonna cap. I fucked them up. You know what I'm saying? Only did, out of this whole week, 10 trades, 2 losses. PNL great. You know what I'm saying? That's some professional trading shit. I didn't overtrade. I ain't do nothing. Perfect. Now we gotta go for next week, man. You know what I'm saying? If I can make up for my L's, I had that 40K definitely before June 1st. But the goal is for turning $20,000 into $40,000 in a month. And it ain't about looking at the balance. If y'all can stop looking at the balance when trading, you gonna be good. Just look at the chart. Pay attention to what the session doing. Pay attention to your meter, your currency strength meter, and the setup that's forming, respecting all confirmations. You know what I'm saying? And take the trade. Once you see your trade, take that motherfucker, bro. Don't sit back and wait because you gonna fuck up and build up doubt. You don't want to build doubt. And then you don't want to trade too long. So every time you look at the market for at least 30-minute span, you know you're going to catch something in that 30-minute span. within looking at it for hours and shit. That's how you fucking drain your account, tire your brain cells and shit. I got one mentor y'all need. If y'all trying to learn that pocket option shit, bro, it's you professionally. I got y'all. I can send y'all the link to my mentor, all free videos. All you gotta do is lock in, bro. That lock in shit real. I locked in, bro, and I've been profitable since, man. Y'all could do the same shit. Stick to the strategy. Stick to the rules. You don't see it forming. You don't see it coming up. Don't take the trade. Wait probably 30 minutes later. Wait for the sessions to form out, build out, play out some more structure, shit like that. See what you see later on. You know what I'm saying? That's all it be for real. Show up early for work. As soon as that London session open, you need to be there before it open. So you can catch these setups because they like to move money respectfully around them timings so they can respectfully not get drawn down like real billionaires that's moving these charts. They buying these areas and it's moving respectfully. So you want to be around them timings when it ain't no crazy manipulation, bro. This is how you treat it as this is how it's designed as a job, because you only catch good trades when everybody has won. The big dogs moving the money as smoothly as possible. Trend line, whatever strategy you got is moving smoothly when they moving at the same time. So when you catching it at the wrong times, that's you gotta understand you went in the market in the wrong times. You gotta understand that. So every day, bro, I woke up at 3:30 in the morning, bro, 3 in the morning, and I be at my desk at 3:50 in the morning, looking for trades at 4 in the morning, be done by 4:30. New York session up, I'm already up, so shit, 8, I'm at the desk at 8, I'm done before 9:30. My emotions was intact this week. Y'all gonna see when I play out the videos. I'm like, yeah, let's go. Like, bro, this shit real, bro. Cause you definitely, I'm sticking to my rules and I'm finally getting what I want now. So it's like, yeah, bro, I'm seeing this shit play out. So my emotions during my trade and sticking to my rules, I'm gonna be excited too. You know what I'm saying? Cause I'm actually doing my shits. I'm gonna be excited, but at the same time, I'm also disciplining my excitement. You know what I mean? Hold on, what? Yeah, I can't stream trade. That shit'll fuck me up. I gotta be focused.